Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee using the Rattleware cupping brewer. This device gives you the opportunity to taste coffee as the professionals in the roasteries do. It is very close to the original cupping process. So, let's get started!
You can find the cupping brewer on the Gardelli Coffee homepage. .500 grams of third wave water at a temperature of 93 degrees Celsius in the kettle for all coffees. I recommend using 30 grams of coffee. Grind the 30 grams of coffee on a rather coarse grind setting of 25 clicks on your Comandante. Then put the dry coffee grounds into your cupping brewer. Double check that you have 30 grams and then start the pouring process in one continuous flow, 500 grams over 35 seconds. Try to get everything wet as soon as possible. Then smell the wet coffee grounds. I recommend 3 times. After 4 minutes, break the crust and smell the aroma of the coffee for the first time. Again, I would recommend 3 times. Then take off the foam with 2 cupping spoons. This takes a little experience, but after a while you're in it. Take off all the foam and wait until all the particles sink to the bottom of the Rattleware cupping brewer. After that, put in the stopper. You have to press it down firmly, and then, while holding the stopper, decant the coffee into a different vessel. Make sure that no particles enter your final vessel. And then you can pour the coffee into your favorite cups and enjoy the coffee